Hey everyone! Today, we're setting our course for Greece, the land of gods, a cradle of ancient civilizations, and a place where history meets breathtaking natural beauty. In this video, we'll dive deep into Greece's rich history in mesmerizing landscapes. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's embark on this journey across the Aegean Sea. Greece's history is truly fascinating. The ancient Greek civilization laid the foundations for many important concepts in the Western world. Especially in Athens, the concept of democracy was born. Here, decisions were made by the votes of the people, laying the groundwork for modern democracies. Greece also gave the world epic literature like Homer's Iliad and Odyssey. These epics narrate the 10-year journey of Odysseus after the Trojan War and still captivate many people worldwide. Greek mythology, on the other hand, is full of gods, heroes, and mythical creatures. Each god has unique powers and stories. For instance, Zeus, the king of the gods, is known as the god of the sky and thunder, while Athena is the goddess of wisdom and warfare. Greece's geography is a true wonder of nature. This mountainous country is home to Mount Olympus, known in Greek mythology as the dwelling place of the gods. Today, it's a fantastic destination for hiking and climbing. If you're up for an adventure, reaching the summit of Olympus will be an unforgettable experience. We can't skip talking about the islands. Santorini, with its volcanic past, offers stunning scenery. The island's whitewashed houses and blue-domed churches shine like gems over the Aegean Sea. Head to OIA at sunset, and you'll witness one of the most beautiful sunsets in the world. Mykonos, on the other hand, is famous not just for its nightlife but also for its wonderful beaches. As you wander through the narrow streets of the island, you'll discover surprises at every corner. Athens is the capital of Greece and also the heartbeat of its history. At the city's center stands the Acropolis, home to the Parthenon, one of the most iconic structures of the ancient world. The Parthenon, dedicated to the goddess Athena, is considered one of the greatest achievements of ancient Greek architecture. Here, you can witness traces of a civilization that thrived thousands of years ago. Additionally, you can explore the Agora of Athens, where the social and political life of ancient Greek society unfolded. Delphi was once considered the center of the world. The Temple of Apollo here was one of the most important oracle sites in Greek mythology. The ancient Greeks would come to Delphi with their questions about the future and receive prophecies from priestesses known as Pythia. Greek cuisine opens the doors to the flavorful world of the Mediterranean. The cornerstone of Greek cooking is olive oil, combined with fresh vegetables, seafood, and various herbs to create delightful dishes. Moussaka is an exquisite dish where eggplant, ground meat, and bechamel sauce come together in the oven. The Greek table wouldn't be complete without olives from Kalamata and feta cheese from Crete. Seafood also offers a feast of flavors. Especially calamari, octopus, and fish are staples in the seaside taverns. Tzatziki, made from yogurt, cucumber, and garlic, is a refreshing side dish that accompanies almost every meal. And for dessert, you must try baklava, drenched in honey syrup, or the milk-based treat called galaktobariko. Modern Greece is just as captivating as its history. Athens has recently become a vibrant cultural hub, with art galleries, modern cafes, and boutique shops lining the city streets. Historical neighborhoods like Plaka offer a unique experience where modern life blends seamlessly with ancient heritage. Thessaloniki, with its youthful population and lively nightlife, is a must-see city in northern Greece. Greece is also one of the most popular tourist destinations in the Mediterranean. Every year, millions of tourists come to explore the country's historical and natural wonders. Especially during the summer, the islands and coastal cities are buzzing with activity. But if you're looking for a more tranquil holiday, many Greek islands offer peaceful moments away from the crowds. Greek music is one of the best reflections of the country's soul. Rebetiko is considered a genre that developed during the Ottoman Empire and expresses emotions like sorrow, love, and melancholy. This music is particularly popular in port cities like Thessaloniki and Piraeus. Meanwhile, Laiko music has a more modern style and reflects the daily lives of the Greek people. Greek cinema is also gaining more attention. Director Yorgos Lanthimos achieved international success with films like The Lobster and The Favorite. These films showcase Greek culture from a modern perspective. In conclusion, Greece is a country that offers a perfect blend of history, culture, nature, and modern life. Whether you're looking for historical sites, enchanting islands, delicious food, or warm-hearted people, Greece is the ideal destination for you. In this video, we only scratched the surface of what Greece has to offer, but this country has so much more to explore. What other details about Greece are you curious about? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video, take care.